Look out for these 3 signs that something big is about to manifest in your life. 1 is you just surrender. You're like, I'm done with it. You don't want to control it anymore. You just feel yourself releasing the need for the outcome. Whether or not you've tried so hard and you're done trying and you're like, that's it. You release it. 2nd is when you start seeing things become more chaotic. It's like all these triggers come up, like, all the people that are, in your life, some of them are kind of going away. It's almost like it's a purge that's happening. And that happens because once what you want is coming to your life, the things that are holding you back from that typically starts to go away, or it distances itself from you. 3rd is you're gonna start seeing opportunity come out and come to you for no reason. Gifts, compliments, good things, things that you weren't expecting, and they're showing up for no reason. Unexpected check in the mail, and you don't know why, but they're just showing up. And it's showing up because what you want the most, a big thing that you're trying to manifest, is on its way to you as we speak.